Raider Power Tools presents Table Saw RD-TS10. For your convenience when transporting, wheels and comfortable foldable handles have been mounted. A system for the removal of sawdust may be incorporated onto the machine. The cutting height is regulated smoothly. A circular saw guide is mounted for parallel cutting. The cutting angle may be adjusted to 45 degrees. Table Saw RD-TS10. Equipped with a powerful 2000-watt asynchronous electric motor and a main board. For the processing of details with larger dimensions, an additional board may be mounted.
Weight 48 kilograms.
Allows cutting of details suitable for different types of assemblies.